we have something brand new. We're on lesson 31 all of a sudden, and we are going to talk about arrays. And I'm sure you might remember this a little bit from kindergarten, but it is getting you ready for multiplication. So, what I'd like to tell you is two things. Whatever way you figure out to find out the answer is okay with me as long as you're showing your work. And two, try your best. Here is the family letter. You can share it with your families this week. That will be on Seesaw. And here is our first lesson. Okay, so as you can see here, there is an array. There is a lesson assigned to you on iReady that I need you to complete just to see where you are as far as that goes. Don't worry about the comprehension check from last week. It's okay. I need you to do the lesson though so I can see where you guys kind of are, how your brain's working. And then I will have an activity on Seesaw for you to do with arrays. And then you'll have one small thing to do for math with your math sheet. On here, it says you can use counters, so anything at home you have that you could use. Connecting cubes, hundreds, charts, number lines, multiplication models we have not talked about, so that's something that I'd rather you not use unless you have an older sibling that can explain it to you and you'd like to try it. Then go for it. But, so, we're going to work on using adding to find the total number, okay? And here it says Rob's team has shelves for their hats. How many hats are there in all? Well, what could you do to start? You could count this way, and this way. You could count this way, this way, this way, and this way. You could count them one by one, which we know as mathematicians would take very long. Or you could skip count by twos or fours or threes. There's so many different ways. This is going to be your job. This is the only job today besides the little seesaw assignment. I want you to show me. Are you going to write an equation? Are you going to make circles and show me how you're adding? How are you going to get the total? Okay, so that's your job today. Use addition. I want to see where you're at. Go do your lesson on iReady, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.